talked about all of our worst fears, but you didn't say a thing.